Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the battery on Alfa Romeo Giulietta and how to reinstall it. I'm also gonna show you how to do a battery reset to clear all of the codes. I'm gonna start with this 13mm nut which holds this battery strap. Right now that the battery is free, I'm gonna use a 10mm socket to loosen up both positive and negative leads. Now before I remove this negative one, I'm gonna remove this cable just by pressing on this red clip right here. There it is. So we got the same 10mm nut right here on the negative lead. Now I'm just gonna pull the battery out. Just to be clear, I'm not replacing the battery, I just need some access to some LPG components. Now I'm gonna put back my positive lead. Just make sure that it's seated properly before you tighten this nut. Now I'm gonna reinstall this cable. And lastly, we're gonna put the strap back on. Alright, now that's it for this part. Now we're gonna do the battery reset and clear all of the codes on the dash. And now I'm gonna start up the car. And you can see that we got a couple of faults right here on the dash. For the steering corrector, it's telling us to check out the handbook. You can see we got two lights. There's the one for the steering wheel and this one is for stability control. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm basically just gonna turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, and I'm gonna turn it all the way to the right. And you can see both of our lights just went out. And it's basically as simple as that. You can see everything functions just as it should. Now all we gotta do is set up the date and time. One more thing that I gotta mention is that if one of these two lights doesn't go out, just take your car out for the ride, drive it around a little bit, and they should go out. If one of them doesn't go out for some reason, that means that you got fault in the system. Another weird thing that happens when you disconnect the battery is that your boot button won't work. Now to fix that, all we gotta do is lock the car, unlock it, and you can see that the boot button works just as it should. And lastly, we're gonna set up the date and time. To do that, you got these buttons for the menu. On the left side you got arrow up and arrow down, and the set button. So I'm gonna hit set to access the menu. I'm gonna scroll down to set time. Now the time is gonna be Now the time is gonna be 4:17. And now we're gonna set the date. That is basically it. I'm gonna exit the menu and we are done. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alfa.